What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Security Bank All Credit Cards Annual Fee. Kasi merong 5 credit cards si Security Bank at yung isa is no annual fee for life siya as is. Pero i-share ko pa rin sa inyo para malaman ninyo kung ano yung credit card ni Security Bank na no annual fee for life. Pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee at saka yung perks and benefits of course para at least ma-enjoy ninyo yung binabayad ninyong annual fee sa credit card na yon. So, malaman nyo rin kung para saan at ano nga ba yung mga dapat yung gawin para masulit ninyo yung credit card na ino-offer ni Security Bank. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys kung paano nga ba mag-earn ng points sa Security Bank credit cards. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito, si Security Bank Gold Mastercard, yung annual fee niya is 2,500 pesos. Aside from principal credit card guys, siguro naririnig niyo yung principal credit card at saka supplementary credit card. So, si principal supplementary credit card is yun yung magiging mother card. Then, mag-request kayo ng supplementary, parang yun anak nung isa nyong credit card. So, sana na-gets ninyo. So, yung annual fee naman ng supplementary credit card in Security Bank Gold Mastercard is 1,500 pesos. At saka ito guys, take note lang na lahat ng credit card ni Security Bank free on the first year. Naka-waive siya. Actually, lahat ng credit cards, guys, on the first year, no annual fee muna siya. On the anniversary date na kayo, matcha-charge ng annual fee. Then ngayon, let's move on to Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. 4,000 pesos yung annual fee niya. First supplementary is free. And then, nung next na is 2,500 na yung supplementary. So, clear guys ha, yung first supplementary credit card, free siya, no annual fee for life. And then yung pangalawang supplementary credit card, 2,500 na siya sa Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. Sa Security Bank World Mastercard naman, 5,000 yung principal credit card. Then yung supplementary credit card is free for life din, yung annual fee. And then, next is, pangalawang supplementary credit card is 2,500 pesos. Then ngayon sa Security Bank Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard Cashback, 3,000 yung annual fee niya and then yung supplementary niya is hindi naka-free for life. Yung first supplementary, automatic may bayad siya, 1,500 yung supplementary credit card. So yung principal is 3,000. Yung Security Bank Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard Supplementary is 1,500. Then ngayon, let's move on to Security Bank Wave Mastercard. So, ito yung no annual fee for life. As you can see, ayan. Siya yung walang annual fee for life. As is siya. Pag in-apply ninyo, na-approve, automatic siya no annual fee for life. So, ganun yung credit card, annual fee ng Security Bank na ino-offer nila. Iba-iba siya. May 5,000, may 4,000, may 2,500, ganyan. Depende siya sa klase ng credit card na yun. At saka depende siya sa perks and benefits. Kaya naman ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon yung perks and benefits ng Security Bank credit cards. Kung ano nga ba, para saan, something ganyan. Siyempre, expect nyo guys, kapag mahal yung annual fee, mas maganda yung perks and benefits. So ngayon guys, let's start from Gold Mastercard. So as you can see guys, sa Gold Mastercard, yung rewards niya is better banking point for every 20 pesos spent. Use your points to redeem free flights, shopping sprees, and more breakthrough better banking rewards. So ito guys, highlight ko lang, 1 better banking point for every 20 pesos spent. So kapag spend kayo ng 20 pesos, makaka-earn kayo ng 1 point. Benefits as exclusive deals and promos. So hindi siya naka-indicate dito guys kasi paiba-iba yung exclusive deals and promos. Every month, every second of the month, something ganyan, pabago-bago yung ino-offer ni Security Bank. Then ngayon, let's move on to Platinum Mastercard or Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. So, 2 better banking points for every 20 pesos spent. So ito naman, kanina si Gold is 1 point sa 20 pesos. Ito naman, si Platinum Mastercard na Security Bank is 20 pesos spent is 2 better banking points. Ano nga ba yung better banking points? Yung points na, literal na points. Parang may dinagdag lang sila na better banking, something ganyan. Then next is redeem miles, shopping vouchers, dining, GCs, and more through better banking rewards. There's an application, guys, through better banking. Yun yung term nila. Kaya better banking points yung ginagamit nilang terms ni Security Bank. Then yung benefits naman niya is 2 complimentary passes to local and international airport lounges. O di ba may free access siya, guys, sa airport lounges. Free travel insurance as well. So, hindi lang siya naka-indicate. Malalaman nyo rin kasi paiba-iba siya for sure. Kaya nakalagay lang dito is free travel insurance. Next natin, guys, is yung Security Bank World Mastercard. 3 better banking points for every 20 pesos spent. So, kanina, si Gold 1, si Platinum is 2. Ito naman si Security Bank World Mastercard is 3 better banking points for every 20 pesos. So, pataas ng pataas siya. Next is, use your points to redeem free flights, shopping sprees, and more breakthrough better banking rewards. Then, yung benefits niya, guys, is unlimited local lounge access. A Lounge, then Marhaba Lounge, Pugs Lounge. O, diba? Ang dami. Unlimited siya, guys, 6 complimentary passes to international airport lounges, then free travel insurance as well. So, ito yung sinasabing unlimited local airport lounges. Of course, kailangan yung plane ticket nyo dun, guys. Hindi kayo pwedeng pumunta lang sa airport para i-avail ito. Kailangan may flight ticket talaga kayo para ma-avail nyo yung free lounge access. The next natin, guys, is a Security Bank Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard. Yung rewards niya is 5% cashback on groceries, 4% cashback on gas, 3% cashback on utilities, 2% cashback on dining, and then 1% cashback on shopping. Kasi nga, cashback credit card siya. So, kakaririn niya talaga yung mga pa-cashbacks. Ito naman yung maganda dito. Yun nga lang, yung annual fee niya is 3,000. Then yung annual fee naman ng supplementary is 1,500. Then yung benefits niya, guys, is waive annual fee for the first year. Of course, lahat naman ng credit card is naka-waive yung first year. On the second year, naka yung macho-charge. Local lounge access at preferential rates. The next natin, guys, is yung Security Bank Wave Mastercard. 1% cashback on online purchase. So, ito yung Security Bank credit card, guys, na no annual fee for life. Pero, not bad kasi may perks and benefits pa rin siya, which is 1% cashback on online purchase. A minimum of 1,000 spent is required to earn. So, dapat yung transaction is 1,000 pesos para makapag-earn kayo ng 1% cashback. Then, yung perks and benefits niya is no annual fee for life, forever, no spend conditions. So, ibig sabihin kapag ka-apply ninyo, then lower interest rate, of course, 2.5% lang siya. Kasi yung regular credit cards, yung ibang credit card is 3%. Kapag hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo yung statement balance, 3% yung ipapatong on the next billing cycle. Ito siya, 2.5% lang. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!